Ke Hspdp Hakhmat ba kajingwan jong Menteri Korbari Amit Shah sa Jylla ha katayo ba ajong banay na itung kanlong ba seso ha ka bayade bat bun kikam khamtam ha ka jingdawa ban pendekam ya ka ILP ha ka Jylla uba panyang presiden ke Hspdp ulay thu ba ka parti Hspdp kadon lightly kimat kibakwa ban penpau ha Menteri Korbari jong kari Amit Shah bat kita kilong kajing pendekam ya ka ILP kajing kenthop ya ka khtian khasi bat garu ha ka 8 schedule bat ban amen ya ka 6 schedule para 12A clause B baya ka kentian President Deban Wengno bat ban bupat da kaktian governor.
Recently, we came to know that the Honorable Union Minister Amit Shah ji will come to visit our state. See, from the party, we have three important issues need to be discussed or to submit the representation from the party. Point number one, as we have already submitted our petition, our demand to the Honorable Union Minister during the year 2019 on the matter urging the government of India for amendment of the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India in relation with the para 20A clause B, requesting the government of India, while taking into consideration for amendment to the 6th schedule, that in the para 12A clause B, we demand that the word president should be replaced and to be inserted by the words governor. Means we the party demanding the government of India to give us enough power to legislate for the protection, for the interests of our people of this state, especially to look after or to legislate the so-called land right of the indigenous people. As of today, the government of Meghalaya has no power to legislate. Suppose like in connection with the land holding system, we have to follow and abide the application of the central law, like the MMDR Act 1957, Conservation of Forest Act 1973. The Meghalaya government has no power to legislate on these two subjects. So we are demanding and requesting the government of India to re-empower us again by amending the para 12A clause B of the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India. Point number one. Number two, since the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly has resolved and unanimously put one resolution to demand ILP to be implemented in our state, we strongly stand to demand the government of India to the Union Minister to implement it as we have. Each and every body, each and every political parties, we are in the same page. So we need to implement ILP in the state with immediate effect. And number three, we also will seek the permission of the state government to meet the Union Minister or to submit our representation that to remind the government of India to recognize or to include the Khasi language and the Garo language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. These are the three major issues that we want to meet the Union Minister of India or to submit our memorandum when he comes in a near in this coming week. We as the MDA Government Unitedly, we stand to urge the government of India through the Union Minister to pay heed attention to our demand. I hopefully that he will respond positively since he has fixed a schedule to come to this state. I feel that he comes with the purpose to attend our demands of Meghalaya state.